Transit of Jupiter in third house from Libra moon sign, 30th of June 2020 till 20th of November 2020. During this particular period, Libra, Jupiter will move through your third house from your moon sign Libra. This brings in indisposition along with some other hurdles in your life. Financially, this may not be a good phase for you, as you're likely to face obstacles in business, failures in your undertaking. You're also likely to lose some money. At workplace, you may have to be adopt a caution. You have to be cautious enough to keep your position or rank at work. You're also likely to face opposition of your employer, or your employees, or your colleagues during this particular time. Stay away from any kind of arguments with you or sibling, with your family members, with your friends. This might lead to a fight with them. You're also likely to lose a relative or friend during this particular time. Your health as well as health of your spouse would be demand extra attention, as both of you become susceptible to various health problems during this particular time. You may also suffer from other hardships and mental anxiety. Avoid undertaking any journey during this period. You might incur some loss in it. On the other hand, some of you may also perform some auspicious deeds, even considering getting married. Jupiter in third house, Libra, the effect of this transit is to raise your contact through within your immediate surroundings. You will not have to go very far from your everyday world to find experiences that expand your perception of this world and raise your level of consciousness. This may manifest itself in several ways. First of all, it's quite like that through your everyday life, you'll receive an opportunity for advanced training in the field of study that could be useful to you. Your concern with communication will increase. You may do something writing even if it is not one of your usual activities. During this particular period, extended travel may be necessary for some reason, but you will come out of it understanding a lot more about your world. Your relationship with relatives, brothers, sisters, cousins, etc. will be very good. It's quite possible that you may receive some kind of financial benefit from them. But it's not only the only way can benefit you. Emotionally, morally, support. Perhaps more important is in the long run, is the possible effect of this transit upon your mind and consciousness. Old thoughts, patterns, attitudes you have adopted more or less unconsciously that you don't think very much about consciously will be broadened and expanded. Your thinking will be less subjective to the limitation imposed by these attitudes. Consequently, your attitude toward the world around you will be much more generous, understanding, tolerant of other people's differences. You're less likely to be influenced by prejudice. Instead, you will want to know everything on the basis of your own experience. Your plans for the future will be larger, more expansive. You realize that many of your limitations that you thought were imposed from without are actually self-imposed. Also, looking at the world, you take more factors, more consideration, and plan more effectively than might at this other times. Just be careful not to go into the opposite extreme and overdo it. Don't commit yourself to projects that you cannot possibly fulfill. As a general rule, communication with others is better than usual now. You're also able to say what is on your mind, and you're less subject to failures of communication. At the same time, you're frank, willing to talk about every aspect of given problem, whether it's related to your emotional life or to some situation in other parts of the world. So whenever you have these situations or complications, empty 10th house, Libra moon in this occupied 12th house, Saturn is occupied in 4th house, loss due to cheating, deception and theft, bad and foul company, surrounded by bad and foul company, then do raise Jupiter with these tasks. Task number 1, do organize Kanya Pujan in the temple and donate green dresses, sweets and money. Task number 2, Do donate lots of Durga Upasana. Eng Harim Sharim Kalim Chamundaya Viche. 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 This mantra we call 10 Varn mantra. 10 varno wala mantra. Not the Varan mantra. 10 varno, 10 varno wala mantra. There are 10 codes to it, so please do this particular chanting. It will fulfill you completely and enhance you completely.